Hello baby, let's open our colors. Red color, pink color, orange color, yellow color, green color, A for apple, A for apple, pink color, B for ball, B for ball, orange color, C for cat, C for cat, yellow color, D for dog, D for dog, green color, E for elephant, E for elephant, red color, F for fish, F for fish,